All right, what up though? Look, Froggy Fresh.
Yo, shout out to my. I didn't even get your name yet, dog. What's your name?
Blake.
Blake.
What's up?
Blake. What's up?
Yeah, see, when there's not a million people grabbing at him, we can talk. Still not talking.
Moneymaker Mike signing. What's up?
What up? That's it.
That's it.
Okay, so can I ask you some hard questions real quick?
Do it.
Okay, it sucks that I don't get to make it out to Denver to see you at Dark Carnival Games Convention.
Yes,
it's gonna be fresh, right?
Yeah, it is.
Are you gonna be in the crowd for Max Sabbath though?
Definitely.
I've never seen him. Have you seen him perform?
I haven't. I've seen videos online.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I saw like a couple clips, but I don't know. You're stoked about it?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. And then, hey, as a Juggalo who is from Canada, I love Michigan. Why did you make a decision to move out of Michigan? Was it more like for creative reasons?
You know what? I went to Nashville because there's a lot of music there, and a lot of people were telling me to go there, and they had friends there, so there was like people that I went there to like meet and connect with. And honestly too, I was starting to get super cold.
It's been pretty warm winters the last couple winters though.
Yes.
I mean, it's just only getting warmer out here.
Is it?
I think we'll grow oranges in Michigan by next December.
That would be nice. I like oranges.
Mike, you don't have to hide. Nothing. But I was saying, like, so you're staying in Michigan?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just ask you a couple quick questions. I don't want to take all of your time, but can you confirm or deny that you may or may not be performing at the Gathering of the Juggalos in Ohio this year?
Oh, you know, I actually don't know.
You don't know yet?
I can't confirm that.
Okay, that would be sick if you could go there.
Nor deny though?
Why am I?
I don't know. I'm asking you if you know.
I don't know. I really don't. I would love to. I would love to though. Yeah.
I think it would be sweet. And then the other thing was, as you're winding down as performing as Froggy Fresh, yeah? Is there going to be at least one more tour stop that you're going to make that will feature James? Because I know you guys are like so busy, and that's what you were talking about. Everybody's been so busy.
That could happen.
It would be so fun.
It could. You weren't in Detroit or anything, were you?
There was a Michigan show that you did in December on the 21st, and I couldn't make it out. It was the last show I saw you do.
Was it in September?
I thought it was in December.
I think it was. I think it doesn't. It doesn't.
Maybe though.
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Thanks, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, for sure. Yo, I can't front, yo. I was a little bit nervous to just talk to Froggy Fresh, but I did ask him some pretty good character, you need to know who he is, questions about him, so I'm really happy about it. I'm a little bit stoned, bro. Look, I went to this place in Michigan. I looked up Detroit medical marijuana dispensaries, and I went over today with my my weed document, and they checked it. They said it was good, bro. So I was a little bit lit just now meeting Froggy Fresh. Maybe that's why I was a little bit nervous, but I don't know. It's always weird meeting people that you don't know, right? Anyway, I think I just wanted to drop my shit off in the whip here. Doors aren't until 8, and it's only, I don't know, I don't have my clock on me, but probably not 7 o'clock yet. So that's it. Alright, so it's 7:06 p.m. Doors aren't until fucking 8.
What up, Juggalos?
This is Ashley and this is Steven.
Whoop, whoop.
Show him your arms, Steven. Identifying marks. Identifying marks. Yeah, but this guy's a crazy Juggalo. I did that little spiel in front of Froggy Fresh, and I like blanked out my vision in front of me because I didn't want to like feel embarrassed in front of strangers. I wasn't paying attention to them. And then he was like, I went back in the building and he was like, oh, that was cool. Do you have a thing? And then I told him about the thing, and now he's in the fucking thing. What up, though?
I had a fresh ass interview. Juggalos and Froggy Fresh. Fuck it, man. That shit was dope, man.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, man. I just did it for no reason.
Oh, yeah. Love all my fucking Canadian Juggalos are the shit. I met so many Canadian Juggalos at the gathering, bro. Y'all
What was the last gathering that you got to go to?
Fuck. Cave and Rock.
What year?
Probably fucking 3-4 years
ago.
ago.
No, because you said you went to a Thornville show, too.
But that was way before, though.
No, there was no Thornville shows previous to Cave and Rock shows.
The last one I went to was Cave and Rock.
That would be before 2014.
Like yeah.
Yeah.
Probably like 12, 13.
Then it sounds like you never got the opportunity to go to Thornville, Ohio, to Legend Valley.
No, yeah, I've been to Legend Valley.
There were only 3 shows there, and they were in 14, 15, and 16. That's it.
Maybe 14. No?
Where were the other Ohio shows? We've been to 2
I don't
Ohio
know about
gatherings.
that.
I thought it was Thornville. Legend Valley. Yeah, we've been to Legend Valley.
I don't know, man.
Maybe not.
Maybe I'm
not.
wrong.
I don't know.
Maybe
No,
I'm wrong. I don't know.
Because that was before Cave and Rock was the Ohio gatherings. Then they did Cave and Rock for a few years.
I think they went back and forth. They did like
anyway,
one in Ohio.
You've been to a couple.
Yeah,
I went to 2014.
I've been to 3.
I've been to 4.
No need to front. So we've been to 3.
Oh, hierarchy! No, I'm just playing. Anyway, I can't run the whole camera for fucking the whole time that we sit here for an hour, but Steven.
This is dope.
Ashley.
Absolutely.
New
whoop,
subscribers.
Whoop.
Hey, whoop, whoop. Are you going to try to maybe go to Thornville this year?
I say yes, absolutely.
We'll make her say yes after I turn the camera off.
We're definitely going to try and see what happens.
All right, whoop,
we'll
whoop.
see you guys
Whoop, whoop.
there. Whoop, whoop.
What up, dog? How you doing, buddy? That's a sweet ass. Sign my cup. Hell yeah, you got a marker? No, I don't. This is the first song I wrote. Froggy Fresh! 12. We back up in this. Cause I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't got money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my sex, I bet you that she calls. Cause I am the baddest of them all. If you ain't got money, then I don't mess with y'all. Y'all think I don't get girls, cause I ain't very tall. If she see my stacks, I bet you that she calls. I had to fight my whole life. I could beat you up even if you had 1,000 knives. Even if you had infinity knives, I'll punch you up into the air like a gun. I'll make you sleep with the night light. Cause you're scared of the dark, cause you stink like a fart. I'll let you fart on fire with my rhymes. You think I won't? I do it all the time. I bet I got more money than Jay-Z. Apparently Jay-Z is lazy. Plus Beyonce thinks that I'm cute. It's okay, Beyonce, I think you're cute too. I made out with so many girls. I made out with every girl in the world. I might look small, but I'm not. I don't care if you're big, I'll bite you, I'll let you know that. I said, Mike, I'm coming for you, homie. Cause Mike's always got my back when I'm lonely. And I always got his back when we fight. I'm coming for you. This next song is a song I wrote about my favorite actor, Denzel Washington. Yo, shout out to Denzel for always being a hero. Froggy Fresh! And Denzel Washington. Denzel Washington, the best actor ever. He's so darn cool, he's so darn clever. I think that you're the man, and Mike does too. Denzel, if you want, you can join our crew. Say Denzel Washington, the best actor ever. He's so darn cool, he's so darn clever. I think that you're the man, and Mike does too. Denzel, if you want, you can join our crew. I remember when I first seen the movie John Q. It's something he did hard, he knew what he had to do. He went up in the hospital and said, here's the deal. My name's Denzel, and I always keep it real. Hit the gas and I pull out of the driveway. I'm in corners and that boy's going sideways. Then finally I catch up to the truck. But then I noticed the accelerator stop. The go-kart stands out of the ground. And OP out in the telephone pole. There's nothing like to say. James got away, but I knew deep down we would catch him one day. Oh, chase, well, me and my boy, money maker, mine, then we had enough. Being us up and stealing our bikes, it just ain't right. We're coming for you tonight. Oh, chase, well, me and my boy, money maker, mine, then we had enough. Being us up and stealing our bikes, it just ain't right. We're coming for you tonight. Y'all make some noise for my homie, Money Maker Mike. Money Maker Mike! Never say never. I took a look behind me. I didn't see a thing. What's in my shoelace got caught up in the chain. The bike swerved, the bike crashed, and then we both got covered in trash. And right before I had the body get half off, Mike Myers takes a mask off. Yo, who was it, dog? Some of the scariest things I've ever
be me. The only problem is they can't even see me. Ball so hard, record labels wanna sign me. Life is a race and everybody's behind me. Yeah, said all the haters wanna be me. The only problem is they can't even see me. Ball so hard, record labels wanna sign me. Life is a race and everybody's behind me. And everybody's behind me. And everybody's behind me.
Froggy Fresh!
Everybody's behind me. Y'all ready? Left side first. Everybody on the left, put your hands up. And let me hear you yell Froggy Fresh. Everybody on the right, put your hands up. And let me hear you yell Froggy Fresh. Everybody in the back, put your hands up. And let me hear you yell Froggy Fresh. Everybody up front, put your hands up. And let me hear you yell Froggy Fresh.
Froggy Fresh!
Yo, this might be the last song. No! Or it probably won't now that you guys showed that you're sad.
Watch James crying.
Cause he just got dumped on.
Watch James crying.
Cause he just got dumped on.
Watch James crying.
Cause he just got dumped on.
Watch James crying.
Cause he just got dumped on.
Y'all keep making noise, we'll probably come back out.
Mom said you're not allowed to touch a girl's butt till you're grown up. Touch butt until you graduate from school. That's alright. That's third on my list. And a brand new shot still watch on my wrist. Now I'm moving on to item number 4. And a brand new shot still open for my door. Just check it out, yo. Item number 5 is a brand new shot still open on the ground. Well, I can't really drive it because it's too small. But I can't really get it like this tall. Business, got it on my wish list. Have I been a good boy? That's none of your business. I just want some good toys and I get a weakness. Now I'll be yelling Christmas.
Alright, so it's literally like almost, well, it is 4 o'clock in the morning actually now. And look, man, I did a little bit of sleeping on Andy's floor and I can't do it. I can't sleep on the floor. I gotta go home and sleep in my own bed. So we did have some plans to hang out on Saturday, but it looks like now I'm probably gonna spend some time mostly in Canada on Saturday. But even though I was extremely like distant because I feel like shit, I did come out. I did come out, right, Andy?
Yes, sir.
That is for something, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're friends, Andy. You can't escape it.
Okay, anyway.
45.
Is this the last game of the night?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
45.
What did you get?
36.
That's not a bad game. That's not a bad game at all, man. That's 9, right?
Yeah. I've had a terrible day today. Back outside.
Did you?
I won every game I played.
That sounds horrible, Andy.
It was awful.
It's a rough life. You know.
Good job. Good job, Andy.
I need people to beat me.
Oh, I'll beat you after I turn this camera off, boy.
Beat me off, maybe.
Ooh la la.
What's up?
We did this stuff.
What's in here?
Stupid stuff.
Oh, wow. You pulled a lot of stuff out of the car.
How are you going to do work if you got that outfit on? You're going to get a dirty.
I'll just take my jacket off, boy.
Suns comes right over here.
Suns comes right over here. Pop the top, boy. Let's see him.
Want to take the hood off with me, actually?
Yeah, but pop it first, and then I can turn this off and help.
It's a really odd hood. Like, it's really wafer board metal from the 80s.
Yeah?
You need to make a fiberglass mold.
A mold?
There it is. So let's take it off.
What?
Fenders come off now.
We're going to take the front clip off now?
Here's your K-frame problem right there, look.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
That's the problem,
Yeah,
huh?
here's your power steering pump here. I kept it on here. It was just easier to leave.
Okay.
And all it is mounted here, here, and here. So if you find an engine with the same, I guess you could switch the length of the axle shafts, like a Dodge Neon engine, and if it has the same mounting area, or look, you can even take this mount off, and we could make our own mount, and just try to get as close as we can to these mounts. Blah, blah, blah. It's just chop saw and a welder, and we can put our own mounts.
Blah, blah, blah. Take off the front clip. Let's go look at the engine.
Oh.
Let's look. We took the engine out. Well, you don't want me to face that way. So what's up with this engine, bud?
Just an old ass engine that seems to work.
It does seem to work.
What I would do would be, I would do a new oil pan gasket, everything.
What up, dub? Okay, so it's Saturday now at 4:04 p.m. And I got a different bridge shot for you. Look at this bridge shot. That's almost the whole fucking bridge, dude. Well, I guess not. It goes way over there, too, but that's the shot. That's the shot. Anyway, look at this food we're eating. General Tao chicken from Flying Tiger. They didn't even have chopsticks. So we're like, let's get some takeout food. And we order the takeout. And then on the way there, we're like, well, let's just eat inside. And then, so we're like, yeah, we're going to eat in. They're like, if you eat in, you can't have the drinks that we offered you. I'm like, what? It doesn't even make sense to me. And they didn't have chopsticks, so whatever. I gotta eat the food. I just wanted to show you the bridge. Oh, and then also, I guess, 2 other things. We didn't really get too much work done further on the car because it started raining severely. And also, Andy, I'm sorry that I haven't messaged you yet on Facebook, but I haven't been home yet, so I haven't had access to a Facebook account yet. But I'm okay. Here, I'm dunking it in the sauce, bro. General Tao chicken, bro. It's good, but it's hot. Dude, it's too hot.
Gone.
Okay, so basically these streets here, all these little 4, 5, 6 streets that you see around here we're driving on. This is where we used to go-kart back in the day. And then they shut all this area down so that they could build a bridge. Now, these streets used to exist. The streets don't exist. Look. Now it's just a big open we're coming up on a dead end. It's a big empty fucking rocks. I'm afraid to get stuck in there.
It's not right here, though? I think you're right, though.
Well, I mean, my GPS says we're here.
Oh, Blake, where was that little
Remember
beach
we used to drive all around in here and everything?
Beach right there, I think, yeah.
Yeah, where was the...
Right here is where you go in, man. Right there. Right there is where you go in. Go over there. Yeah, take a right, dude. Go on this. You got a truck.
I got it.
There's a big hill right there. It's a big rock. Go. Make sure you go. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I got 4-wheel drive, boy.
Okay, well, take your time, boy. You won't have any. Take it right.
I've definitely surpassed several no trespassing signs, and we're driving into a bunch of fucking vehicles.
That have dirt bikes and stuff.
They have dirt bikes and stuff? Okay, let's turn the camera off and go check it out.
Don't keep it on, you probably should.
Okay.
Just go slow.
Nobody's got dirt bikes.
Yeah, but do they have eradications? So that's to keep the snakes out, all the black fence, by the way. But that's where we used to go in, I thought, man, right here. I thought this
Page
was
and
over
Water
there,
Street.
though. I thought this was over there.
Where's the transition where we used to drive in the Detroit River and then up that embankment? It's gotta be down over here, right?
Yeah.
Because this is the Detroit River right behind us.
This is fucking
Is this
weird.
new road here?
I believe so.
It's all brand new.
I think this part was where we used to go in at, and like right there was where we used to have all the good stuff. But see, because right here, Blake, I remember going right up here. It should be like a rounded, like a dead end right here.
Right.
That is where we used to come in. So this used to be the bush right here that we're in right now. That used to be the whole fucking street right there, didn't it? Something like that. Yeah, see that roundabout? No, that's not it. Maybe that was the old one, but I really don't think we should go any further than this.
Oh, we're fine. We're gonna drive out to the water. This just says private property, no trespassing, so that people don't get fucking drive right into the Detroit River. We can drive right up to the river here. Look at this. This is a great vlog fucking clip, boy.
Yeah, but I don't want you to do it and accidentally die.
Oh, don't sweat the technique. It's too far to fucking...
I remember this.
Look,
we used
first
to go
they say private property, don't enter, and then they have giant things that say
Let's
don't
take the
dump.
Argo out here. I can go in that.
Bro.
Put your vlog on my Argo, and I bet you we can go right
That's
in there.
the Detroit River right there. Look, we're fucking 10 feet away from it. I don't know if this is soft or not. So.
Bring my Argo in here and...
Boom, Detroit River. Huh? Is this Zug Island right here?
Yeah, that's US Steel, Zug Island.
Zug Island.
Goes right to my work,
and the Detroit River. We're fucking a foot away from it, bro. You can get out and walk. It's just running.
Part of the steel mill there.
The steel mill there?
The Windsor hum that everybody talks about is that.
Yeah, that's the Windsor hum.
Yeah, that and Zug Island. It's obvious, but if you don't know industry, you have no idea. So let's go.
All right, let's get out of here. Cool.
I want to take the unit out and this stuff. This looks fantastic.
Tracked unit that you got?
Look at that, man. It looks like... Don't do that. Don't do that.
Uh-oh, careful. Okay, let's get the fuck out of here! All right, so it's April 1st, Easter's. I went and saw my mom and fucking ate some pie, and then I fucking hung out with Tom. What's up? Whoop, whoop. Yeah. So I put the clown suit on. I'm going to go to the Fillmore, and you know what? It's classic fucking ICP style. I don't have, like, super crew to fucking hold cameras and this and that, so no ICP footage, bro. Sorry. Just the classic come out, and ICP was awesome! So that's probably how it's going to go down. It's already like 9 o'clock, and doors were at 7. And that's it. So I'm going in to fucking party. I'll see you after the show. Okay, so it's 4:05 a.m. Monday morning. My dad's going for a prostate surgery. I gotta go see him, and if I don't hurry up and get home by 6, then that's okay. It's just then I have to drive to the hospital myself at 8:30. It's gonna suck. But we're almost done fucking playing dodgeball, and then we're out of here. Alright, man, so look how tired I am. I'm so tired. How do you feel? Tired? Yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm dropping him off, and then I'm going home. I think I gotta fucking go straight to the hospital and wait to meet my dad for his surgery at 8:30. That doesn't seem smart to drive all the way back to Essex and then back to the hospital, so I don't know. Anyway, alright, the bridge shot. Okay, sorry, man, I'm sorry. So I'm going into the bridge shot with a lot of anxiety, actually, but before I talk about that in the 2 minutes that the bridge shot exists, ICP was pretty sweet. I got very close. I was like basically one person away from the front center, but you know, I got over the barricade, but the fucking security, man, threw me out. It was the second fucking show I've been to that security wouldn't get me up on the fucking stage, and I was pissed off about that, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. And now the anxiety part is my dad's going for a prostate surgery right now. And we all know that he went fucking crazy from getting fucking knocked out previously in December. So now they're not going to knock him out. They're going to give him an epidural and an IV drip to just sedate him. I was supposed to, if I wanted to, meet my mom at 6 a.m., but it's 6:03 a.m. right now. It would still take me 20 minutes to get home. So, this is the last shot. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to do any more updates, but as I get to the end of the bridge here, I don't know if I'm going to go sit in the hospital for 2 hours, which sounds stupid, or drive home for 20 minutes, chill, and then come back up to the hospital for 8:30. And like I said, it's 6:05, basically, 6:03 a.m. right now. Anyway, I gotta go through the fucking thing and go home, so I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'm not going to turn it on again. Thanks for watching this video, and watch the next one, okay? I'm so tired, man. Alright, I'll talk to you another time. Whoop, whoop. Alright, this is actually the last fucking clip of the episode, of the vlog. I'm so fucking mad right now, man, at myself. So it's noon, and I'm home. I got home at 7. Look, I can show you actually on this fucking computer because I just took a goddamn screenshot of it. Oh, man, what a fucking bummer I'm feeling right now. Okay, look at this. Fucking bummer, bro. I set an alarm at 7:05 a.m. I set an alarm for 8 a.m. And then at 7:05 until 7:06, I was trying to watch video games on Twitch for 45 minutes until it was time to leave to go to the hospital. I fell asleep on the couch, and then the next thing I know, it's fucking 5 to noon, and I gotta call my mom to explain to her, oh, hey, remember how we had a big conversation about me being responsible and irresponsible? And I'm like, don't worry, I'll be there. If I'm not there with you at 6, I'll be there at 8:30. I'm a piece of shit, dude. Like, I'm having so much guilt right now about this. It's just, I fucking, like, really didn't want to be fucking late, bro. And I fucking stressed it. And I fucking worked hard to go and have fun at Insane Clown Posse and the after party that we went to. And then get home in time to go to the fucking hospital to see my dad. And I didn't fucking do that. And so now I just wanted to fucking say that and shame myself publicly on the videos that I make, because it's my fucking dad, right? So I'm just really bummed out that I didn't fucking make it. And then I called my mom, and I'm like, oh, should I come up there? And she's like, come up if you want, doesn't matter. And I'm like, I need you to tell me if you want me there or not. She's like, well, he was supposed to get out of surgery 20 minutes ago, and he's not. And once he gets out of the surgery, they're still going to make us wait like at least an hour before we can see him. And then we're only going to greet him to let him know that he's not alone, and we're going to leave. I'm like, well, do you want me to come up there? She's like, no, don't worry about it. Just fucking whatever. When, you know, when a woman says whatever, even your mother, it's the worst, man. So anyway, I feel a lot of fucking guilt right now that I didn't fucking go to my dad's. So much so that I had to fucking pick up the camera and put myself on blast about it. But if there is a silver lining, I mean, then the silver lining is that I will go and see him after work tomorrow morning. I'm just mad because I fucking wanted to do it. I was gonna do it. I fucking set the fucking alarm. I set the alarm. And then, I don't know if I said this part out loud or not, but I did go down at fully dressed on the couch at 7 a.m. I fell asleep, right? I woke up completely undressed in bed at fucking noon. I have no idea. Don't remember turning the TV off, nothing. What a way to wind down a fucking awesome weekend. Anyway, even though I thanked you in the bridge clip, thanks for watching this episode of the fucking vlog, and I'm definitely going to be putting out another episode next Monday. I don't know what's happening next week. Hopefully some car stuff. The weather's getting nicer outside, so maybe April showers bring May flowers, so maybe it'll still be cold this month. But the camper needs to get open, regular, loop. It's been a year, loop my life, do everything again. Anyway, I'm just kind of bummed out. Now I'm rambling nonsensically like as I always do. So I'm done. Thank you for watching the episode, and I'll put out another one next week, and I'll have an update I'll have an update about my life. My dad specifically is what I meant by that. Fuck.